to LiveCycle 201. Today we're going to discuss the Action Builder. And the Action Builder is basically a way to avoid having to do your own custom scripting. I prefer, of course, to do custom scripting. I think it's more powerful, more versatile. But for those who don't like JavaScript or are unfamiliar with it, you can get away with doing most of the actions that I show in the 201 and 101 videos using the Action Builder. So I'm going to create a form that will set up a little scenario where the Action Builder would be useful. I'm going to put two buttons on the form, Command 1 and Command 2. I'm going to put an image object out here, and I'm going to add an image to it. Let's use that one. And then I'm going to put a little text field underneath the image and call that a description field. Okay, enter description here. And so what we have here is we just have a simple scenario where we have an image, a text field for a description of the image, and then a show and a hide. And this could be some kind of test or some kind of form where the person is testing the knowledge of the form filler or something like that. A lot of different scenarios. I'm going to make the text field read only, and I'm going to hide the image. So the image is still there. It's still in the hierarchy called image 1. txt11 we're going to rename txt description, and then we're going to put everything in hierarchical order just for good practice. Okay, so this is read only, which means the user can't do anything with it. They're not allowed to enter any value here. And now we're going to use the Action Builder to make the effect. So for the Show Image button, we're going to go to Tools, Action Builder, and then we're going to create a new action. Alright, here's our new action. When object, and we're going to select our button as the object, so Command 1. When object Command 1 is clicked, what do we want to happen? Well, first we want to show, set the visibility of object image 1 to visible. Simple. So now if we click the button, the image becomes visible. Let's watch that happen. It starts off hidden, click the button, it becomes visible. Alright, we still have nothing in the hide image, and we're still read only here on the description field. So let's go back and change things for those to work as well. So on the hide image, let's do the same thing. Go to Tools, Action Builder. We'll create a new action by clicking the New Action button. When object Command 2 is clicked, we want to hide the visibility of the object image 1. Hidden. So set the visibility of image 1 to hidden when Command 2 is clicked. Say OK to that. So now we have a show action and we have a hide action. Let's save that and watch it happen. Showing and hiding work for both. Now, so to complete our example, we want this description field to be active when we show the image, and we want it to go back to read only when we hide the image. So let's go back to the Action Builder and create that action as well. This time we don't need to create a new action, we just need to use the action we already have. When Command 1 is clicked, right now we have set visibility of image 1 to visible, but we can add a secondary action or a secondary event to happen. We also want to enable object txt description, set it to enabled when Command 1 is clicked. But when Command 2 is clicked, we want to add an action for txt description. We want to set it to disabled. Say OK. Let's look at that again real quick. Command 1 now has two actions. When the button is clicked, it sets the visibility of the image to visible, and it sets the state of txt description to enabled, meaning the user can actually type something. And the opposite action happens when we click the second command button, the hide image button. Command 2 is clicked, image 1 is set to hidden, state of txt description equals disabled. Okay, so let's test and finalize our experiment. So the field is not, we're not able to type. We don't see the image. Now we press the button. We see the image, and also we see this blue bar here, which allows us to type something. And we can re-hide. Now, when we re-hide, it doesn't erase the field. What's there is there, but I can't change anything. It's disabled again. Show image. Now I can type it again. So that really is a quick and easy demonstration of what the action builder can do. Obviously, there's a lot of other actions that can happen. When you click the button, you can have a whole host. Just look at this whole drop-down list. A whole host of things happen. But those are the main ones: hiding and showing, making something enabled, making something disabled. Also, you could maybe have a message box that says "Hello World," and the title can be True Tech Troubleshooting. It can be a warning. When we do that, this thing pops up. We have to say OK before the other actions happen. You can do all kinds of things with the action builder, but of course, I've said it before, I prefer to use JavaScript. There's much more versatility. And the action builder, really, I mean, to tell you the truth, it does just enter JavaScript into the script object here. See all this script? That's all entered by the action builder. And once you use the action builder, you can't go in here and start messing around without messing up the action that you created. So it's kind of an either-or thing. Either you're going to use the action builder or you're not. You're going to use JavaScript. All right, I hope this helps. Keep the questions coming, and thanks to all the subscribers that asked about Action Builder. And continue to like, subscribe, and comment on different videos. And stay tuned for the next episode of LiveCycle 201.